crumbs all over you.
Where am I eating?
That's more you can eat for later.
I'm wearing more than I could eating at this point.
Did you know something? Muffins are more delicious if you get them in your mouth.
Really?
Yeah. Don't eat that.
We're gonna be ordering pizza shortly, boys.
From where?
Blue cheese.
Oh, their pizza's good.
Wow.
Dude, you're dropping it everywhere.
No, really.
You want a napkin?
Yes, please.
How about a bowl too?
I might need one of those.
Here.
Blueberry.
Blueberry's good.
Probably one of my favorite on muffins.
I think mine are like the chocolate ones, like.
Oh yeah, those are good.
You know, with like all chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Those are delicious. There's a lot of blueberries in this part of muffin. Look at that.
Got a drink too. You want to top off?
What's that?
Want to top off on your drink?
Yeah, I need a little bit more. I feel like I'm at a restaurant.
Want more than that, and that's good.
A little bit more. That's good. Thank you.
No problem. Got some more too.
Very good.
Yeah. Did you know it's muffin season?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where do they grow muffins?
I think they grow them in like trees. I'm not real sure.
I thought they were grown in Austria.
Trees in Austria.
Oh, that's it. See, I knew there was like a connection between the two. Wow.
Are you sure? Are you sure they're not grown in like the Middle East? Because you know, like they eat, you know, like Muslims muffin.
Oh, yeah. That could be. Maybe I'm thinking donuts are grown in Austria. That's right.
Yeah. Oh, those dingoes.
Austria and Australia.
Oh. Whoops.
Izzy, where are you? Still in the kitchen? Are you helping take the silly things? Yeah.
Right now it's just a video of Dange
Mike,
eating
grab us
muffins.
the menu from Blue cheese.
Alright. What do you say?
That was a good one.